tindang manok. Bagong ahit. Swerte na mapapangasawa nito mamaya. Pang derby to. Nag-ahit pa. Okay. Ready ka na ba mamaya? Isuot mo na yan. Pupunitin ko na yan. Congrats. Parehas na tayo ngayon nakapasok sa akin. Kaya papakabait na tayo ba? Oo, sira. Ikaw lang naman hindi mabait. Nice one, boys! Cheers! Para sa tagumpay. To the wounds that never heals. The more you scratch, the more you feel.
Kamusta yung manok? Handa na ba yung manok natin? Handa na ba? Handa na.
Ay, entoy ko. Eto na to, hahaha. Ilang oras na lang, wala ka nang kawala. Akin ka na. I hope magustuhan mo itong regalo ko. Lahat ng oras mo dapat sa akin na.
Cheers! Best of luck to the bride. Here's to a lifetime of happiness. Thank you!
The stars, they all ignite for you and I. This is our time. Together we're wild and free. This is where we're meant to be. And I believe this is our time.
Marriage, since the beginning of man, was already considered a holy and honorable that binds. It is considered a holy and honorable tie that binds the man and the woman as husband and wife.
One look at you, my whole life falls in line.
Our relationship was full of laughter because of you. Our relationship grew because of you. And for that, I thank you.
Tora, bawal umiyak ha. Baka yung vows, yung wedding vows ko.
Hindi ako magpapromise.
Ikaw yung taong laging nagpapasaya sa akin. I told myself not to cry.
Oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you.
Please, I am not the easiest man to love, and I cannot promise that things will be easier. All I know is that whatever happens, we are better together.
I get to love you.
13th anniversary, ito na yung hinihintay natin. Wish ko maging masaya tayo habang buhay. Para sa'yo, yung gift na yan. Sana magustuhan mo.
Liz, darling, pinapangako ko na ikaw lang ang mamahalin ko. At naniniwala ako that things fell into places for us.
I also thank you for being so patient. Imagine, as Pastor said, 13 years of waiting for this day. You became not just my boyfriend, but also my best friend. And today, my one true love, my husband.
Can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get
Ikaw ang buhay ko at biyaya sa akin ng Panginoon. Kaya pag-iingatan kita ngayon, bukas, hanggang sa aking huli.
Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. I get to love you. I get to love you.
You are my blessing from God. I love you so much and always remember, it will be you and me until the end. Mahal na mahal kita.
Love is a journey. I promise that I'll never leave. And when it's too heavy to carry, remember this moment with me.
Always remember that whatever happens,
I get to
God will always lead us back to each other. Because finally,
I get to love
I found the woman whom my soul, I love you.
to love